it's Jennea with Joe's Garage, and today I'm here at Superformance's legendary showroom in South Florida. We have just had one of our vehicles delivered to their showroom, and it's in a much better lighting than the shop, and you can actually see all the accentuating features of this car, which is why we brought it here, to show you some of the updates that Joe's Garage is able to put on your Superformance Cobra. So standing behind me is this gorgeous Mark III Cobra with a gloss black body, a matte stripe down the middle, and these two red pin straps that I think complement the vehicle so well. Now, this is a customary color choice, so when you go through the process of ordering your Mark III Cobra, you have the option of painting it whatever color you like, which is pretty awesome. Now, on the outside, we can see all these little details now. All the chrome features that would be chrome have been now blacked out. I think it just complements the vehicle all the way around. Now, of course, the car is gorgeous on the outside, but let me show you what's under the hood. So here is this beautiful 7.3 liter with these CNC ported heads. Now these are giving you a bit of a torque boost. They are absolutely phenomenal to look at. I could sit here all day and stare at them if I could, but unfortunately I have some other things I need to do with my time. But this engine looks absolutely gorgeous placed in here. Now, one of the added features that Joe's Garage actually looked at before we closed this engine bay up is we have this engine blockout package. Now, this panel in the front here, we custom fit this to any motor that goes into the Cobras. Now, the reason that we do this, it just covers some of the accessory wires, hoses, things that kind of mess up the engine bay. Doesn't matter how neat those lines are. I'm just going to tell you right now, this engine blockout package clearly seals the engine bay and makes it look pristine. Now, we unveiled this at SEMA with the 30th anniversary cars, and this is now an option available to all clientele. All right, now let's take you guys to the interior of this car. All right, here we are in the vehicle. It is super phenomenal. I love these things so much. Doors like the originals. It's so cool. I'm going to turn the camera around to show you from a driver's perspective of sitting in one of these vehicles. So, oh, it is absolutely gorgeous. So this is Joe's Garage carbon fiber steering wheel. This customer wanted as much of the sleek aesthetic that he could get. Here is the Gen 1 Joe's Garage gear lever. It is pretty awesome, and you can see the Superformance engraved in the side here. Now, that can be customary. We can change it based on, you know, if you want a name or a special, like if you want to name the car or anything like that, we can engrave the car's name into the gear lever. Obviously, it's going to cost a little bit more, but it's pretty awesome. So moving through the car, you can see that we have a phone charging pad and a full Bluetooth stereo. So this has Apple CarPlay and Android Connect. I'm unsure of what the Android one is called. But I'd like you to take a look, see right there, that's where the speakers are. The speakers are sunken into the footwell, so you're not losing any room in your foot space area, both in the driver's side and the passenger side. I'm going to turn the vehicle on so you can see. Now, obviously, I'm not going to stop the car, but charging pad works and it connects immediately to your phone. I really hope it doesn't start playing music. That would be quite awkward, but we're slowly bringing the Cobra up to the technological advancements of what's currently going into vehicles today. So Cobra owners can now have full-blown stereo systems. You can be charging your phone while you're cruising down the highway, or your phone now doesn't get lost behind the seat. Charging pad with this nice little ledge, especially when you absolutely floor it, your phone's not going anywhere. One more peek around, and that is it. Just wanted to show you guys, wanted to keep you up to date of what's going on with Joe's Garage. We're consistently pushing the bounds of technology with the Cobra. It's such a applicable vehicle and such a great piece of history to be advancing forward in the technologies. So we have internal combustion. We're going to be pushing this as fast as we can, of keeping it up to par with what's currently going out on the market. Obviously, the electric vehicles, and we're super excited to keep building those powerful cars as well. There also could be new set of power systems for the Cobras. We are currently working on a hybrid system. There's some customers that would like that, being able to sneak out of your apartment complex with the electric motors and then turn over into your gas motor while you're cruising along the road. Or if you want to feel like a GCP or an LMDH car, that's kind of what we're working towards. I'm super excited.